Are you interested in becoming a private process server in Arizona? That's awesome. I've been a process server here since 2008 and I love it. And it's made me great money while being able to own my own business and have fun at the same time. Well, the problem is for most people, they cannot pass the licensing exam the first time. Some of them have trouble the second time. But if you come to me, you will nearly beat the odds on passing the test. Okay, it is a very difficult test, and I don't mean to scare you, but if you've never been in the legal industry before and you haven't taken any type of a prep class, you really won't know what you're doing. It's very filled with legalese and scenarios and stuff, and it's not your fault. It's very hard to test for something that you've never done when you don't know what to expect and you have all that thrown at you. But never fear, because the private process server certification exam test prep class is here. Okay, that's what this is in the school. My name's Christine. I'm a private investigator and process server business owner. Like I said, I've been working since 2008. I'm also a law enforcement trainer, a university instructor, and I created this class especially for you. Okay, I know you need to pass this test. If some of you are working for others, it's critical that you pass this test, and you have to do so to get licensing. So you need this class. And why this class, aside from any other classes? Because I get students that thank me all the time. I've got over 23 hours of video in here, 23 videos. I don't know if it's an hour. I'll have to look at that, but no, it's not 23 hours. It is 23 videos over 9 hours, okay? Because I used to teach this class one-on-one. And it was just, I could not offer it as many times as people wanted to take it. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to record it so they can take it whenever they want to take it. And it's saving my vocal cords and my life, because I'm really interested in everybody getting certified. And you have to take this class to pass the test, hands down, okay? And why this class? Because when I took the test, I did 100% the first time. Just me, okay? So I know what the test is like. I know what they're looking for. And I've created sample tests and exam and test questions and things so that you can check your knowledge as you go on. Let's talk a little bit about it. Let me shut up. Well, I can't shut up because I'm narrating the video, but let's talk a little bit about this class, okay? This is the information you need to pass the test the first time, okay? And here's another bonus here. It is only $99, all right? So what you have to do is you have to pass the test, okay? This talks a little bit about me. Yes, I had to brag a bit that I scored 100%. I was like so crazy, freaked out. I couldn't believe it. And the lady seemed like she was a little bit shocked too, but I'm very proud of that, and I pass that knowledge on to you. Like I said, I've been running my business here successfully, excuse me, since 2008, and I'm very much sought after as an expert server for difficult serves, and I train the process servers to get licensed and for their ongoing continuing education. So I guess I have to say I really know what I'm talking about, okay? So why should you take this course from me? I work in this industry day in and day out. I understand the nuances of the law. I give you practical scenarios, and I don't just read the material, okay? I've had courses approved by the Arizona Supreme Court as an instructor. I passed the test. I know this stuff inside out, or backwards, sideways, up, down, whatever, okay? And since I'm actively working, I can tell you what information is most critical and will impact not only, excuse me, not only your test, but the way you would do your job once licensed. Now this class, this is the amazing part. This says 22. I have to go and fix that because I just added a third video because people were having issues with the scenarios and they just didn't understand. And like I said, that's normal because you've never been in the situation. They are testing you and asking you to make decisions on real life scenarios when you haven't even done the job, okay? And all you've read is a set of statutes, okay, a set of rules. And it's very hard to interpret something and figure out what you're going to do if you haven't done it before. So I've added more scenarios and talking about that, okay? You have knowledge checks after each lesson. You have your own exam prep manual that you can keep handy as you're working. You got 2 practice tests. You can take the class in the comfort of your home, on your phone, on the go, or anywhere with an internet connection, okay? It works on your mobile phone, your tablet, your PC. You don't have to waste gas trying to get to some class if you're working and doing other things, okay? You also get a coupon for discounts on other classes. And, excuse me this morning, we recommend that you take this course as soon as you've registered for the exam so that you'll be familiar with the concepts and information, okay? You don't want to wait until the last minute. So I suggest that you take the course, go through it. You'll know immediately. You'll be like, oh, okay, this is pretty good. I think I feel comfortable with this. Or you'll be like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, what have I done? Okay, and then you need to study a little more. But if you're gone through the course and you're still a bit freaked out and you're still a bit uncomfortable, which again, I can understand. Maybe you're not necessarily a good test taker, but we can fix that because you can also purchase a one-on-one session with me, okay? And you can do that at any time in the process. But if you feel you're just not cutting it or you're just not sure, you can purchase a one-on-one session with me. If you didn't purchase it when you signed up, you can purchase it in the school. There's another link for that. And you cannot, well, you can use this for CE, but it won't count until after you're licensed. So unfortunately, you do need this to take the test, but if you need a refresher later on and you need your CE credit, you can get 6 hours because you need 10 each year, which you'll learn in the course. You can get 6 hours of CE credit here, okay? So this is the course. It's only $99. I know other people are offering them for well over $200. I just think that's crazy. You're trying to get in business and, you know, this is the barrier. You got to pass this test. So feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, but just go to the school and sign up online. It's continuingeducationandtraining.com and enroll in the course. You can also check out in the school, we've got, if you're already a process server, we've got a lot of continuing education classes as we talk about how to run your business. If you're looking to be a private investigator, there's just all kinds of marketing, all kinds of things there. So just take a look. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, we always have a seat for you. Have a great day.